I'm going to show you how you're going to transform your Shopify store using Replo. Replo is a landing page tool that allows you to build pages visually for your store without needing to code or to being a designer. We have an incredible array of templates and even an AI tool that allow you to build landing pages really quickly. And the best part is the pages load really fast too. They don't slow your site down. You can do everything from dragging and dropping in content. You can edit the text directly. Your fonts are being pulled in from your theme. You can make your pages look a certain way on mobile versus desktop. You can build really complex interactions. You can even create sections. Like for example, this section, you can even build just a section that lives on your theme. So if you have a theme that you love and you just want to add a few sections to it, you can do that using Replo as well. And the power here is you're now able to build any funnel that you want or any theme you've always wanted to be able to create without being limited to your Shopify theme or being limited by not knowing how to code or not knowing how to be a designer. We give you all the tools you need plus 24/7 support and so many other resources like our Replo Experts program where trained professionals who can build pages for you, can do all this work for you, will be able to come in and support you no matter what type of business you run on Shopify, no matter the size. We can help you grow. So that's Replo. If that's interesting, highly recommend you look at all of our features and then try Replo for free today.